4 quarters of Mustang football. You ready, Cisco? Let's go. We better be ready. We better be ready. You ready, Nick? Ready. Mustang! Whoa! Let's go! Let's go! They better be ready. Woo! They better be ready. Because I know the Mustang's ready, baby. I know we ready. I know we ready. Let's go.
Let's have some fun. We haven't broken out and done that yet. Let's have some real fun.
Let's coach.
Let's go. Let's go. Have fun on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Have fun. Let's go. Every time we get the ball, we're looking for the end zone. Let's go.
It's just like a little blade.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
No. That doesn't sound convincing, Coach.
I was born ready, DeAndre.
Yeah. You're born ready?
I'm right here.
Ooh, who farted?
Disgusting.
Smash Mouth Mustang football, let's go! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
Gentlemen, you're the captains for your game. You set the tone, all right?
Let's go.
You guys control your teams, and we'll try to just have a great game. Any questions before we get started?
No, sir. Let's go, defense. Set the tone. Set the tone, D. Way to stuff them up, D-line. Fire out the ball. Let's go. We playing too slow out here. Hey, O-line, we playing too soft out there. Get in their faces. They doing what they want with us. Let's go. Get in their faces. Count your blessings, D. Take advantage of this. It's 2nd and 12. Take advantage. Let's go, Donnie! That's a sophomore right there. Let's go, baby. Get ready, baby. Get ready. Okay. Hey, we scoring right here, oh. We're scoring right here. Let's go.
Hey, one way to shut up a team is to take it from end zone to end zone. Let's do that.
Let's go.
That's it, guys. That's it. It's over. It's over. Nice and easy. It's over. Blue ball. Blue ball. He's down. Blue ball. He's down. Right here. It's done.
Come on. He came right through. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Keep on doing what y'all doing. We'll get it together in the backfield. Hey, that's all we need to be doing is getting first down. Wear the defense down. That's all we need to do. I know you ain't tired. Let's go.
It's done, guys. Nice and easy.
Nice run. That was real hard. Why does this always taste like grape? Hey, you gotta have a bad sour taste in your mouth right now, oh. Driving all that way and didn't get a touchdown, let's go. Bad sour taste in your mouth. Let's go, get angry. Let's go, Chris Wayne!
The rest of the Mustangs finished them on.
They can't block you, Chris! Let's go. I don't hear them no more. I don't hear them no more. Let's go. Keep on driving on them, oh. Hey, why'd you run into me? You couldn't cut it back? No. All right. Drove through this one. There you go.
Holding on the offense, number 5. You wouldn't release him. All
right.
Holding on the offense.
Got a whole another half. Let's go.
Brothers, I mean, everything that we can run here, it should work. I don't see why it's not. The biggest thing that I see is you guys just going out there, standing around, hear the plays, get on the line. Cool. We got 3 yards, great. Let's get back to the huddle. Get pissed, man. Let's go. Have some pride. This isn't like us have a goose egg in the first half. Okay? That's something that you guys can understand and say, hey, I'm going to come out and make sure that we're going to do whatever we need to do to get back on the board. Defense has done their job.
Let's go.
Okay? Defense has done their job.
There you go, James!
And Whitfield
That was done.
sit on the
It's okay.
option, and
It's okay.
is level.
Hey, we getting in the end zone this play. Getting in the end zone this play. Oh!
Let's go!
Let's go! Oh! Why don't go down? Let's go! Let's go! That'll be me all right, ball. Let's go! Let's go! Way to stop, D! He ain't going nowhere! Way to stop, D! Let's go! Hey, this is Mustang football! Keep it up! Keep it up! This is Mustang football! Over there! Let's go, boy! Let's go, boy!
90 Hurricane. Trips left, 90 Hurricane. Trips left, 90 Hurricane.
Hey, good run, Kanye! Keep on running hard, Kanye! Hey, Chris, like I said, nobody can guard you. Nobody can cover you. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby!
We have the ball right now. We have to go and we have to score. We have to go and we have to score. No mistakes, no exceptions. We're gonna go score.
We getting in right here. We getting in right here. We getting in right here. Touchdown! Nobody can cover Chris. Nobody can cover Chris. Just like I said before the game, ain't nobody can guard you, baby. That's what I'm saying, dude. Nobody can guard
Nobody
you.
gonna stop you running.
Nobody. Defense! Defense! Defense!
We got some of this. Hey, we got some of this. 'Cause 2 weeks in a row, hey, we didn't give up on anything, and we played in the damn last second. Get yourself down for that.